Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes. One love, swift love.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. This one is going to be on these passion twists that I saw on the Boho Babe. I went to her YouTube channel and I saw that she had a tutorial and I was like, oh girl, trying those. I think they're so cute and they're so different and I just wanted to try them out. So I'm just gonna get right into it. We're gonna wham bam thank you ma'am. All right, so what you're going to need is some moisturizer, some mousse, some skizzers, some Eco Styler gel, my favorite, olive oil, and of course your hair.
Shawty, let me lace you up before you get the boot. Be like Timberland, now she about to get on my goo. 400 degrees in the hood is still cooler than the penguin smoking doobs in the swimming pool. Love my energy, love my melodies. I just wanna make that ass sing like Whitney Hughes. Shawty on the lemon pine goose and got loose. She don't wanna go back.
It took me 2 hours to part my hair. I don't know how y'all do it. People that do their hair, I don't know how y'all do it because that was literally torture. Like, never again. Never again. I mean, I'm gonna practice, but just I'm gonna definitely start earlier. I know it takes me so damn long. So this is the pre-tress water wave in 22 inches, and I got the color 1B. Yay, focus in. Yes, got the color 1B. So I think the thing that I'm most worried about is that my hair is not gonna match this. But I guess that's what the gel is for, style. So we gonna see what this looks like with just, you know, my natural, like straight out the gutter hair. Feel me? What you're supposed to do is, instead of using the hair as such, you take a strand, pull the strand apart so that it's a little bit, well not a little bit, but like just looser and gives you that natural texture. And then on the other side, you do the same damn thing. Go ahead and split that thing up. This is what you're gonna end up with. Bouncy, full hair to twist with. So here I'm just applying some water and moisturizer because my hair was feeling a little dry. You don't have to do this, but it's always good to do before doing a protective style. Here I'm taking 4 strands that are split into 2 and crossing them over one another so that I can achieve my desired length. Okay, so essentially what we're gonna do is split this in half. And I'm not making it perfect, but you get the gist. So split it in half and then get the half of this, or get where the half point of this is, and put it in between that split. And then what you're gonna wanna do, twist, twist, twist some more, twist. And then the other side, I'm gonna twist in the opposite direction. Let me just twist it right now. And then bring those together. Kind of pretty tight, okay. So I'm just gonna twist a little bit. And then where my hair is at the ends, I'm going to put on some gel to make sure that my hair does not do anything else. And at this point, I'm just gonna twist a little bit more. And then once I get a little bit closer to the end of my hair, we're just gonna twist like natural, like regular, just like you're doing regular twists. and then pull. Twist, twist, pull, twist, 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 pull. I think I want it at my waist right now. It's at my waist. So I'm just gonna cut. Take the piece, split this in half, and then split the other side in half if you can, and then kind of put those together. Put them together, and then start twisting again. And I'm just gonna do it a second time, just for security purposes. So I want to make sure that. Oops, started braiding it. Okay, that's not what she said to do, Shayna. So we're just twisting it down, and then we have a little curl at the end. Gonna take some gel and just, and then yeah. So that's the first one, y'all. Okay. I think this is so cute. I wish y'all could see it and it's like on in its entirety, but I guess we'll see it when we get down. Okay, so I'm gonna keep working on this. That took a little longer than I wanted it to. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do all the separating first and then start twisting. I pre-parted all of the hair, so I have like a big bundle of hair just chilling like a villain, a penicillin. Ow. Okay. First of all, what in the hell was I thinking with this part? Y'all, when I tell you I cannot part for shit, I really meant that. You want to make sure that you're twisting as close to your scalp as possible so that your twists are super secure. I feel like the messier you twist your hair, the better these passion twists look. As you can see, I have like some strands coming out, and I personally like that look. If you don't, then you can twist a little bit neater. Twisting, 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 and I just want to take my hair out. I didn't even measure like where my hair was. I kind of just sporadically did it. You want to keep in mind, like once you let go of it, it's going to spring up. So say for instance, this one, it looks really short, but once you pull that thing down, it's darn near the bottom. So just keep that in mind. I did switch between using 3 and 4 strands because I didn't calculate the amount of hair that I would need. Whenever I did 3 strands, I would split 1 strand into 2 and add the half to both sides, essentially making it 1.5 strands on both sides. I'm gonna split it, and then split it. So we got 2 splits. Put one with one, the other with the other, and then start twisting again. And if you want to be super duper, super schmooper, secure, then you can do that twist and then split it again, and then split it and just start twisting again. And I feel like it looks a lot better when you do it this way, because it's like it starts unclumping in one spot, but then it's like, oh, I don't know which way to go. You know, do I go right? Do I go left? You know, the world may never know. Just getting some gel for the ends and twisting that up. And twist until you can't twist no more, girl, okay? Until your hands is like, girl, I'm done, I'm tired. Even when you think you're tired, you're not tired yet, okay? You got a little bit more. We're just gonna circle that up. And there's another one. I think the thing that was the most challenging for me was just doing the back and getting the whole gist of the way it's supposed to be twisted, because like I feel like anytime I'm back there, I'm just like, I don't know which way my hands is going. I don't know, I forget which way I turned it. Then when I start trying to twist it, my hands be like throwing up gang signs and stuff. I don't got time for that.
I saw a couple pretty girls on the dance floor. They would stop moving slow on the dance floor. They would drop it low for a nigga that's all. But wait, let's go to my place. They would do me late. I got so many things you can't relate. I got so many things you can't relate. So let me tell you straight. I give it to you, baby, no delay. Yeah, you know the duck is my best style. I'm waiting for the back, I'm screaming west side. Looking upset.
So to finish this off, I'm gonna take my mousse. Smells yummy. In my hands. Okay, and then I'm gonna just work that through. Now I'm not exactly sure what this does, but she did it, so I'm gonna do it too. I like rarely use mousse in my hair, but I'm gonna use it today, okay? And here we go. This is the final look. Turn around for you. Butt length. That is going to be it for this video, guys. I think this is going to be a look. I can't wait to take pictures in these because they're so cute. I don't know who I think I am. I keep saying that every video. I don't know who I am, but that's because I keep getting these bomb ass hairstyles. Be sure to subscribe, thumbs up, like this video, share this video, all that good stuff. Okay, so I will see you in my next video, guys. Thanks, bye.